There is something common in all of us. We all get dreams during our sleep. Similar way, I used to get variety of dreams during my childhood. When I asked my parents, they used to say, whatever you watch, whatever you listen, whatever the activity we play, the sports, based on that you will get all these kinds of different kinds of dreams. Nothing to worry. But sometimes I used to get horrible dreams. The reason behind, during my childhood, there was a news called children thieves. They will come and they pick the children and they run away. Because of this news, sometimes I used to get horrible dreams. Somebody coming and taking me away. But I remember during my college first day, the incident made me famous. Let me share the story with you all. The first day, the first period, I was very excited because I reached the level college. Very eagerly waiting who will come for the first period. As per the timetable, Kannada lecturer Mr. Sundaresh is coming to talk with us. He came to the class, he completed the basic introductions. Then, as per his schedule, he started talking about the poem called Dreams. Already, this boy having some experience about the dreams. While he completed the few sentences, he raised his hand. Sir, I have a question for you. Entire classroom looking at me. The reason is, first day, first period, first lecturer. This boy is asking a question to the lecturer. What may happen? Eagerly looking at me, looking at the lecturer. Completely silent. At the same time, students are laughing inside, thinking about this overall situation. Then lecturer politely asked me, what is your question? I said, sir, these dreams are appear in color or white and black. Again, slowly I can able to sense little laugh from my colleagues who are sitting next or in the classroom, but I can able to see complete seriousness from the lecturer. It taken few minutes and asked me a question. Tell me, your name is Dinesh, right? Tell me, Dinesh, how am I looking? Are you able to see me in white and black or color? Then I taken few minutes, few seconds, then I replied, sir, you are looking in color, not in white and black. Then he concluded, the dreams will also appear in color, not in white and black. Then situation is calm. He continued his lecture. The period is over. But this one questions made me famous in entire my classroom. And even though during the end of the third year of my college, few of the friends personally came while they are sharing their experience in 3 years. Even in my personal diary also they wrote about this incident. I am impressed about the way you questioned in the first day to the lecturer. But my point is this. I wanted to share my personal experience. What are these dreams? What I learned after exploring about these dreams. Dreams are like a sequence of pictures, ideas, thoughts, etc., etc. And these dreams, normally as a human, we experience during a rapid, they call it as REM, rapid eye movement. there is a stage called, in the sleeping, there is a stage called a rapid eye movement stage. During the particular stage, we all of us experience the different kind of dreams. The dreams are, when you take the length of the dreams, it is average, the Wikipedia says it is 20 to 30 minutes of length. When it comes to number of dreams, average 3 to 5 dreams in a night. It may increase to 7 if the sleeping time, if it is increased. But the way even religious, scientists, philosophies, they talk about the dreams, it depends. They have a different of their opinion about the dreams. But end of the things, what I understood about the dreams based on two statements. One is Mr. Sigmund Freud is the German neurologist. He talked about these dreams are like combinations of your desires, the deepest desires, anxiety, and the childhood memories. And one of the famous person, Sadhguru from Isha Foundations, says these dreams are like combinations of unfulfilled desires. These unfulfilled desires come into picture during our this REM stage, sleeping stage. But dreams are good. Most of the times we are not able to recall these dreams because we are into a deep, the rapid eye movement stage. Dreams will reflect. The person who wake up during that period, he can able to understand or even remember those dreams, what are the dreams he has get. If not, it is very difficult to remember those dreams. But those who are able to get their dreams, enjoy those dreams, whatever may be. It may be the positive or negative, happy, sad, but dreams are dreams. Let's enjoy those dreams.